Hey team, want to talk to you about ply bracing. Now, look, this should be something that's pretty straightforward and standard and that every builder and apprentice carpenter understands, but ply bracing is something that I see all the time not getting done correctly on building sites. So I just wanted to show you what we do on our DPS Constructions job sites. So I'm currently on one of our frames. The guys are going around getting all the timber framing up, and then a couple of younger fellas are coming behind them now that we're starting to plumb and straighten and getting the ply bracing on. So you can see this wall here. This is an internal wall. It's got 1200 sheets of ply on it. You can see how neat and tidy it is. So these are all things that my pet hates and I don't like, and you'll hear me talk a lot in my videos. For me, it's all the stuff you don't see that makes a difference. So when a client walks into a finished home with all the nice pictures and the fluffed up pillows and everything looks beautiful, they think the whole job's been done well, but behind the plasterboard walls, 9 times out of 10 their bracing hasn't been nailed off correctly, and engineers haven't checked it all, and it's atrocious. So in my business, so you'll see here, same as when we do our cladding. So on the ply bracing, you'll see we've got a flick line here, got a flick line here, so everything is marked out. So we've got a set of stools down the front of the job. One of the young fellas has got all the ply sheets stuck on there at the moment. They've gone around, they've done their storybook, they've got all their stud sizes, and then you'll see up here, this is number 3. So that they mark them all down on the front, they bring them up here, they put them on. So you'll see there, that's 1, 2, 3. They flick all the stud sizes, but what we also do is we mark all the nails. So look, I'm in Queensland, in Brisbane, so your bracing requirements may be different where you are, but up here in our location, along the bottoms is all 50mm spacing. So you'll see they're all marked and how neat they are. In the centers of the sheets, they're all 300mm centers, and then on the sides of the sheet, they're all at 150 centers. So you can see them all there marked out nice and neat. But the other really important thing with the bracing ply is that the nails have to be flush with the surface. If your nails are punching through or they're in too deep, they're doing bugger all, and it's actually weakening the bracing panel. So really, really important to make sure that all your bracing is always installed correctly, it's neat, it's tidy, and the nails don't penetrate the timber.